Welcome to our review of the Formula One Carnauba Wash and Wax Car Shampoo. Formula One is a well-known brand in the car care industry, offering a range of high-quality products to keep your vehicle looking its best. Today, we'll take a closer look at their Carnauba Wash and Wax Car Shampoo, exploring its features, benefits, and any drawbacks. Whether you're a professional detailer or simply someone who wants to keep their car looking shiny and new, this review will help you decide if Formula One Carnauba Wash and Wax is the right product for you. Now let's dive into the depths of this video. Features: Formula One Carnauba Wash and Wax Car Shampoo is designed to clean and protect your car's finish in one step. It's made with a blend of premium Carnauba wax and advanced cleaners that remove dirt, grime, and road film without stripping your car's wax protection. This gentle yet effective formula is safe for all automotive finishes, including clear coats and single-stage paints. It also contains water softeners to prevent water spotting and streaking, leaving your car's surface looking clean and shiny. Benefits: the primary benefit of using Formula One Carnauba Wash and Wax Car Shampoo is the convenience of cleaning and waxing your car in one step. This product saves you time and effort, as you don't need to apply a separate wax or polish after washing your car. The Carnauba wax in this formula also provides long-lasting protection against the elements, helping to preserve your car's finish and prevent premature fading and oxidation. Another benefit of Formula One Carnauba Wash and Wax Car Shampoo is its versatility. This product is suitable for use on all types of vehicles, including cars, trucks, SUVs, and motorcycles. It's also safe for use on other surfaces, such as boats, RVs, and airplanes. Drawbacks: one potential drawback of Formula One Carnauba Wash and Wax Car Shampoo is that it may not be as effective at removing stubborn stains or heavy grime as some other car wash products. If your car is extremely dirty or has caked on mud or debris, you may need to use a more heavy-duty cleaner or degreaser first. Additionally, some users have reported that this product can leave streaks or water spots if not rinsed off thoroughly. Overall, Formula One Carnauba Wash and Wax Car Shampoo is a great choice for those looking for a convenient, all-in-one car care solution. Its gentle formula is safe for all automotive finishes, and the blend of premium Carnauba wax and advanced cleaners effectively cleans and protects your car's finish. While it may not be as powerful as some other car wash products when it comes to removing heavy grime, it's a reliable choice for regular maintenance and keeping your car looking shiny and new. We hope this review has been helpful in your decision-making process. Thanks for watching till the end.